Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Showtime on Sony TV, quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Showtime on your Sony TV, start by turning on your television. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Locate the Google Play Store on your Sony TV. Open the Google Play Store application. In the search bar, type Showtime. Select the Showtime app from the search results. Choose the install option to download the app. Once installed, open the Showtime app. You will see the option to either sign in or start a free trial. If you already have an account, select the sign in option. Enter your username and password, then confirm. If you're new to Showtime, select the option to start a free trial. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. After signing up, you may need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification link from Showtime. Click the link to confirm your email address. Return to the Showtime app on your Sony TV. Sign in using your credentials if required. Once signed in, you can start enjoying Showtime content. If you encounter any issues, restart your TV and try again. Ensure that your TV software is updated to the latest version. This ensures the best performance and compatibility with apps. If problems persist, consider reinstalling the Showtime app. Follow these steps and enjoy streaming Showtime on your Sony TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.